Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Sumayya Imam, and you are about to fall in love with this channel. So I'm trying to do a resumption vlog thingy thing, so that I can use that to reintroduce Survival series for this semester. So people have been asking me about it. It's just that I haven't resumed school. School resumed some few weeks before Salah, but I insisted on doing Salah at home. Not like I insisted. I sort of wanted to go to school at a point, but then I was just in between the decision. So like now I've finished Salah. Today is day 3, and then my father is like, "Get out! Get out!" So I'm literally being chased out. And no, I'm not like Charlotte. I cannot oppose it. I can't be like,
I will stay! I command it!
that's the story of my life. I hope I get this resumption vlog intact. The sad thing about preparing for resumption is everybody is out there gisting, but I'm here trying to pack my last pile of clothes to wash. There is no light, so I can't use washing machine. I have to use my hand. And this is the story of my life. I came to steal drinks for school. الطعام والوليمة. Adab Arabiya ne da muka yi fa a JS1 ne ko menene? Shi aka ce behaviors of Arab people. الطعام والوليمة. So they love food. Bring your hand. See my work. I tried doing lily for her. Okay.
Wait. Oh my god. Wait, bring your hand like this. Wait, oh.
If you see me in school, don't ask me about meat. As you can see, they're sharing it. They're sharing it. I have arrived. Time for Salah. Yep. I couldn't get Rinya girls. I don't think many of them came to the school. It's still somehow dry and all. This is frustrating. I'm just resuming and I'm about to go and fetch water because I don't have water to do anything. Thank God my roommates had already resumed like before Eid and all. So the room is even clean. If not, I would have started cleaning your room. Hey, Sumayya, I got that big. But then now, I need to visit them because I need to bath and fully rest because I feel like I need like body massage or something. Maybe I'm feeling, oh my God. CQ, as if they're reviewing me. I'm tired, I swear. I don't know why the story of our lives in this school cannot just be like people in other schools. Why would I resume and pumping machine as sport, tap as sport, blah blah blah. Ugh. If we decide that school is just not for us and then we just run or something like that. We have arrived. Class.
You understand that most? But Allah will never do. So
Inshallah.
let's be online. We are not online. Ask your friends.
Now I'm back from lectures, and I just decided to come and watch film. Watch film because I don't know. At least this lecture held alhamdulillah, so that one is good. I'll just watch movies now and then copy the past lecture I missed because I've missed a previous lecture. Crushing it with this is crushing it's very very nice. See, I've started reading. This is my 6th book of the year. So la 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 la. I'm supposed to come and do like my voice has not cleared this morning. This is 6:36. Hostel is so quiet. My voice is echoing. I'm supposed to come and do exercise now because I just finished my hadda, and then I started having this bad headache. I don't know whether it's the thought of going back to exercise as a problem. My morning routine has been scattered since before Ramadan, and see how it is, but before Ramadan I got lazy. I stopped exercise. Then when Ramadan came, I got somehow sick from the leg accident and all that. But so exercise automatically stopped. I mean, I only recently learned how to run again, so I want to resume exercise and all that. But then maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'm having headache. Wallah. My subhanallah is back up. You guys don't know how much I love this stuff. When I just like walk into the room, it's the view, and I'm like, yeah. So I'm going to class to read now. This is about 5:30 or so. I'm trying to reorganize my reading timing and everything. Change it from the way I did it last semester, because last semester I mostly used to go to read after Isha and then come back. And then I also didn't start reading early, like before exam. I literally delayed everything and started reading during exam, and that was a big problem because when exam finally came and it was time to like bombard myself and everything, I was sick, it was Ramadan, everything was sort of complicated. The usual bush and bola. It's just that the difference is, since it's rainy season now, it's green instead of dawn that it looks like bush is about to eat you up, like bush is your height, you know. The weather looks actually nice. The sky looks nice. Anyways, so the story is, my result last semester was messed up. A large part of it was my fault because, like, 70% of people in school, or 60%, their result was messed up. I heard that the school I don't even know, for them, it's ATV or anything can happen. So, I want to like change my reading method. Normally between Maghrib and Isha, I'm just in the room either making noise or chatting, scrolling. I'd go to read earlier, then Maghrib, Isha, spend it in mosque or read Quran, something like that, then go back to class. And I hate so much with this campus, and I've said it so many times, it's how venue is far. It's like up to now I've not reached what is it, sir? And then I don't know, it's just very annoying. I get tired, and when I go to read, I'm already very, very tired. Some people are up to read. Class is empty. Oh my god, people have really not resumed. Many people are resuming today though, because today is Sunday and all. Oh my god. I feel like I can raise my voice since I'm the only one here, but then I don't know why I'm still shy to do that. Anyways, as I'm cooling off before I start reading, I want to do a what's in my bag video, because I usually see people do this. I usually never ever actually do a what's in my bag video because my bag is usually junk, is full with rubbish, I'm telling you. So this Quran, because I said I'm going to mosque between Maghrib and Isha, cord, earpod, tissue. I have 2 pens. Oh my god, it fell. Phone, power bank, and lip balm because I have extremely dry lips. Oh my god. Then random leader because I don't even know what did I eat. 150 because I think okay, it's 200. It's 200. Why is the money folded like this? Oh my god. This one is just here in case I need change. Then paper, I think it was a list. It's a random paper. So ta-da! This is where we are so far. This is I did a video in 2022 about boosting your GPA, preparing for the semester, how to prepare for the semester and all. And I used to like work with the points I said in the video, but I haven't been doing much of that. So I'm going to use that this semester, inshallah. I'm going to go back, watch the video and use my own points. So I'm going to put the link to that video in the description if you guys do want to go to the video. Now that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it to your friends if you like, and please drop your comments so that I see what you think about this video. Await more videos on surviving school series, because this semester is literally about me surviving.